Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to earn passively on the crypto.com exchange by just staking. Okay, if you want to be earning some money and adding into your income, you have to learn how to stake on crypto exchanges. These are some of the ways that we do earn in Web3. These are some of the ways that you do earn in Web3. There are many ways you can earn in Web3, which is cryptocurrency. You can either earn through staking or lending, and there are various ways through investment and other means. But here in this video, I'm just going to be showing you just one aspect of which I make passive income in staking here in crypto.com. This crypto.com seems to be one of the easiest ways to earn more income in the crypto space. There are other platforms, but I chose this crypto.com because they have high return on investment. So that is what I'll be showing you in this video. So if you are new in this channel, kindly ensure you hit the subscribe button, turn on your notifications, so that whenever I'm dropping the next video, you're always going to be updated. So without further ado, let's get started. You have to first of all come to this section right here where you see this by the top left corner. You click on that nugget, and afterwards you come down to where you have this staking right here. Okay, you come over here and click on this staking right here, and then when you tap on the staking section, you just have to allow it to load. And while you are doing this, ensure your network is very stable. Okay, and then here is the discover section. There are actually two sections right here. We have the discover section and the portfolio section. This portfolio section has to do with all the coins that you have staked in the past. If you come over here and click on it, all your coins that you've staked in the past are going to be reflecting right here. Okay, now let's tap on it. This is where all the coins you've ever staked are going to be showing. All right, and you can see all the available income and revenues that it has generated and added to your money. Okay, then if you come to this discover, this is where you discover a lot of tokens that you want to stake. Right here, if you come down, scroll down here, this is the official token of crypto.com, and you can see the estimated revenue is 6.24%. That means that you're going to be having 6.24% of this revenue. Okay, here this PA that you see here means per annum. All right, it means per annum. So you are going to be earning 2.97% of this token's total supply. All right, because whenever you stake, you are adding to the liquidity pool, and the platform is gonna you are helping the blockchain. Now the purpose of staking, like I said, is to help the blockchain, and while you are helping the blockchain, advancing the blockchain, you are also earning your rewards. All right, so here EST here means estimated returns for per annum. So you are going to be earning a total sum of 2.97 as an estimated return per annum. Okay, now whenever I am staking, I want to stake, I'll go for the highest bidder. I hope for the highest bidder, which is the Flare network. This is currently the highest returns. Okay, so if I want to stake, I'll just go and select the highest coins that has the highest staking pool, which means the highest return on investment. Here in this liquidity pool, if I join this liquidity pool, I'm going to be having 20% of my staked reward from this from the liquidity of this coin. I'm going to be having 20 return. Okay, so I'll either go for this one or I'll go for this one. Okay, so when I come down here, so when I click on it, okay, so as soon as I click on this one, now you come over here and tap this, and then it take you to where you can go ahead and stake. Okay, now when you come down here, you will see, when you come up here, you see what you can stake. You can, if you have up to 5,000 stake Flare tokens, you can come here and type the amount that you want to be staking. All right, so I'll tap, let's say I have 1,000 token Flare tokens that I want to be staking. Now 1,000 Flex token is about $15 US. That's what it's telling you here. It's about $15 US. Okay, so when I come down here now, you can now see, you see the available amount that you are gonna be earning. Okay, as soon as you tap it, this is the available amount. You're gonna be earning 20% of the token that you staked. and your money is gonna be refunded back to you after the end of this staking period. Okay, at the end of this staking period, your money is gonna be refunded to you. All right, it's gonna be refunded to you. Okay, so after clicking on that, you come over here and click on this button, and then as soon as you click on this button, just head over here and click on confirm stake, and your money is gonna be staked automatically. And then at the end of the staking period, that money, the money that you staked is gonna be automatically sent to your exchanges. All right, so let's say you staked 1000 or worth of that token, 1000 worth of that token. You are still gonna be earning 5% of that token. Okay, you're gonna be earning 5% of that token. And then one of the reasons, one thing about this staking is that if you unstake before the period that you're supposed to, the period that the money is supposed to mature, and you go ahead and unstake it, 5% of withdrawal fee is going to be charged from your money. Okay, so what you have to do is that if you know you're going to be staking, just take and forget about it, and then at the maturity time, the token or the funds are going to be refunded back to your exchange, and you're going to be seeing your interest is still going to be added and sent to your exchange. So these are some of the ways that I earn passively from the crypto space. In the next video that I'll be dropping, I'll be showing you how to earn through lending right here in crypto.com. So if you are new, do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.